Bonjour, bonjour les amis, comment ça va? Je m'appelle Madame Tweedy et bienvenue. Welcome to French with Ananas. Et voici Ananas qui dit bonjour, bonjour. Est-ce que ça va bien aujourd'hui? Oui, ça va bien, oui. It's a very exciting lesson today. Oui, we're going to learn how to make sentences and put them in a mini book. Alors, nous allons apprendre comment composer des phrases et des petits livres. Oui, are you excited? Oui, oui. Oui, c'est bien. So, les amis, let's get started. Allons-y. Alors, on lit le livre 3.2, son I. Alors, on va tourner la page. Turn the page. So, in this book, our sentence starter is going to be either voici or voilà. So, we use voici to indicate something. So, voici means here is, and usually something that is close to you. And we'll use voilà if it's maybe pointing to something at a distance. So we'll let you know which one we use. Alors, on va commencer avec voici. Voici. So I've taken a photo of a flashcard. Alors, voici une carte éclair from our EEE sound words. Alors, une iguane. And what we're going to do is this is the beginning of the sentence, le début de la phrase et la fin. The end. So you add the end. So if we look on the next page, voici une iguane, which means here is an iguana. Can you repeat after me? Voici une iguane. Bravo. Alors on va tourner la page. Turn the page. Voici un kiwi. Can you repeat that? Voici un kiwi. Bravo. Voici un panier. Voici un panier. Bravo. Voici des ciseaux. Can you say that? Voici des ciseaux. Voici des biscuits. Can you say that? Voici des biscuits. Bravo. La fin. Oh, was that difficult, Anana? No, that was not difficult. That was a lot of fun. So now you know how to put the beginning and the end of a sentence together. Alors, when you are finished your petit livre, you write the words la fin. La fin means the end. Les amis, I hope you had a fun time. Anana, did you have fun? We had lots of fun today. So we're going to say see you next time. À la prochaine. À la prochaine.